Let me show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on the Redmi 15. So in order to go into the Fastboot mode, first we need to turn off our device. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time. Let's give it another try. There we go. And we need to turn off our device. So let's swipe up this white circle. And once the phone is completely off, you will have to turn it back on. So you will have to press and hold the power button. However, once you see the Xiaomi logo, or once you feel the vibration, you will have to immediately start pressing volume down button. You don't have to hold the power button after that. Just press and hold the volume down button quickly. So let's turn it on. And now quickly switch to volume down. And there we go. As you can see, now we are in Fastboot. In order to exit the Fastboot mode, we just have to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds until this text disappears. And there we go. Now we can release the power button and our phone will turn itself back on shortly after that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.